Hey guys, this is my website, Your Favorite Printables. My main purpose is to share some designs that I make. Hopefully, help somebody out to be able to have handouts for a church lesson or a family evening or just something that can help make their home a more uplifting place. I went with this 3 picture layout with this big eye-catching picture, I think, just to grab I don't think I know just to grab people's attention, and it's a popular layout right now that I have seen on other websites that really inspired me to use it. I like the clean lines here. My main target is towards young women's leaders or young women, so I kind of was trying to keep things on trend. I went with this more feminine color scheme of purples and pinks and this um, popular kind of handwritten font I liked. I thought it was kind of trendy because it's like handwritten font, but I thought it was also kind of a unique one. It's not one that I've seen a lot. Um, Here is like the main purpose of the page is where the actual prints are. And um, so up here I put instructions for how to download the zip files and I've included several sizes for each photo. You just click the download button, it shows up, and then you click it, and then there's 3 different sizes. There's a 4x6, an 8x10, or an Instagram post sized one if you want to share it online as opposed to printing it. And with the 4x6 and the 8x10 sizes, it makes it really easy just to, you could even just save that JPEG and send it to Walgreens or Walmart or whatever print place you like to use, or just print it on your own printer. Um, let's see. My contact page isn't functional right now, but I hope it will be. I just went with the same color scheme. I thought I went with this serif font. I thought it looked really well. I thought it looked well. I thought it went well with the handwritten font. Added this background just to give the page a little more depth. I do feel like it just was a little bit plain, and Brother Impy suggested it, and I really liked it. So that is my page, and I hope you guys like it. And if you guys have any suggestions for things to do with it in the future, I would love to hear them. Thank you.